Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your location on Bumble using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Bumble app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, at the bottom of the screen, tap the profile at the bottom left, then tap the gear icon at the top right corner. This opens your settings. Now scroll down and you will see a section that says current location. Changing your location is a premium feature. Tap Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium to subscribe if you haven't already. Follow the on-screen instruction to activate. Once you have premium, tap location again, then enter a city or zip code. Type the location you want and select it from the list. After selecting your new location, Bumble will update. Now you can see and swipe on matches in that area. And that's it. Now you know how to change your location on Bumble using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.